I'm John from Caddy Presents Cadillac Parts, Buick, Oldsmobile, and Pontiac Parts. Yay, we finally got our t-shirts in. They'll be available soon. Getting down to the business of things. Let's talk about the '59 Eldorado. Getting very excited about it again. This COVID, I call it COVID 2022, really has hit a lot of people, and everybody get well soon, get back to life. Geez. So there's my comment about that. We're getting the body worked on again, hasn't been touched in quite a while, and it's going to get finished, and we are hoping to get it in the paint shop somewhere around May. And we are, for the first time, I've made up my mind, we're painting it the factory color red, the Seminole red, and with a red and white interior. And I may have shown this before, but I've got the complete kit. This is one of the pieces for the bucket seats, and there's a picture of how the bucket seats will look. And the car used to be white originally. It had a black interior. I may have mentioned it before, but here it is. The car had every single option on it. So I'm very fortunate, and I think, 99 cars had the bucket seats. We're not going to do a lot of fancy stuff. In the beginning, I thought I was going to put all this modern amenities in it, but no, we're going to go back to the tri-power, and we may do a fuel-injected tri-power, but we're going to do the carburation and try that out first. So the transmission conversion, that was the only new item, and I felt that would be a great addition to the car, being as how it didn't have the original transmission in it, and the motor is actually from a 1960 Cadillac. So when we got the project, it didn't have the original engine, but it's got the original everything else. So we're going to be doing some videos real soon, and I want to give you a little preview. We're going to be taking the convertible top apart, and we'll be sending it away to have the chrome redone and to have everything powder coated and do the restoration on that. And so let me walk you over this way. We're soon going to be doing a video. This is kind of a preview of, we just got back this great chrome. And as we do the video, we'll put a little plug in for the fellow who did it for us. And we're going to send out some more. Great guy, does great work. So we're going to put the assemblies together. We'll show you putting it together with the factory backplate, or putting it together with the aftermarket. And new lenses, new weather stripping. Then we're going to move over to the instrument cluster. And we just got back. It is so beautiful. We are going to show the installation of the new circuit board. And we have one new old stock gauge. I'm so sorry. I'm glad for the people that bought the new old stock ones I used to have, but so that, and we're going to disassemble everything here, test the gauges, make sure everything's good, and we're ready to go. So that's it for this. Thanks for watching the videos, and stay tuned.